Good afternoon, everybody. Con here with Techout. Today we're going to be checking out the later case for the OnePlus 8 Pro. Ordered this back when the OnePlus 8 Pro came out and have been waiting on it for quite a while. It did say shipping end of May, which was true. It shipped on the 29th or 30th or whatever it was, and it just got to me today on the 1st. So we're going to go ahead and pop it open, take a look at it, see what it's all about. I had a later case for my Note 10 Plus, and that was the last one I had. So we're going to see what we get with this one. Looks like I think it's like a microfiber cloth. Yep, some kind of microfiber cloth right there. Pretty nice that they include something like that. We have the LaterCase branded box. They did put the branding on this one. The one for the Note 10 Plus was one of the early LaterCase cases, and it was just the plain white box, so they did do some upgrades there. And here's the case itself. Very, very nice, very similar to the quality we had on the Note 10 Plus. Nothing really changed there. Nice aramid fiber case. We've got my OnePlus 8 Pro here that is rocking the D brand skin on the back. Just a little carbon fiber skin, so we can just put the case over top of it, no big deal. And the case just slides on like butter. Very, very easy to put on. Should be just as easy when you need to take it off. Yep, very, very simple. No fuss there. Literally just like glides onto the phone. It doesn't like fall off or anything. It's not like loose, but it is very, very easy to get on. And like we saw on some of the early OnePlus cases, we don't have that stupid extra cutout down here on the bottom, so that is very, very important. That is not an issue on this case. No extra cutout, no little circle down here for the flash, I guess they thought that would be there. I do have some cases that have it either it comes all the way down and you can see half the logo, or they have a circle right there for something they thought there was going to be like a flash there and a flash here. So not seen that issue on this case. It feels very, very good in the hand. It doesn't add any bulk or anything like that. This is not a case you're going to get to protect the front of the phone, but it will add you protection to the back as well as a nice carbon fiber look to your OnePlus 8 Pro. This is the LaterCase. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.